Oh no!
Okay.
Where's the warm water?
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
I'll let you out, Bryce. It's still warm.
Just got your rinse that head.
We get the body warm first, the better. Hello. Say the camera. I don't know about the headshot. You don't like it.
It's okay, especially when someone's holding it. Let me hold it, it's okay. I was just a little confused when I was dropping it off. It's not so bad. It's not so bad.
It smells so nice. Your arms are so long. I think you'll be used to a pool after this because for some reason I don't think you're forgetting much. You seem to be calmly going through the motions.
Oh.
Yeah, somebody.
This is Mommy's hand.
Waiter, can you get me some boo while I'm in the tub? Is there more, Mommy? Do you have face wash?
Let me get the face, but her head needs to be rinsed off a little.
Don't forget this has suds in it, so I might want to get sink water.
Oh, good job, Daddy. 2 more of those and we're good to go. We're good to go.
You talking?
Okay. Good stuff.
Watch the nostrils.
I think you got all your neck mucus cleaned off.
Can I get your little honey cleaned off?
They might want to flip you over. Oh, I knew it.
Yeah. Still got diaper stuff down there.
Yeah, that's okay. That's just diaper rash right now. Okay.
Still have a lot of diaper rash right down there that Daddy wants to get. You don't get it in the tub, but when will you get it?
And it soaks into my body and keeps me from getting a diaper rash. Oh, the water. Run it out. It's good because
It's a conditioner.
and it shows that it's really waterproof, so it's not letting pee and stuff soak in. Okay, we gotta get you out of here.
Okay.
You're getting too cold, and if we got the door ajar. Daddy wants to actually put it over Mommy's chest. Then we take the baby out of the tub. In a second. Take the baby. Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my
Sweet
goodness.
cheeks, it
It
is
is
cold.
slippery when wet. That's for sure. That is for darn sure. And we're gonna eat the towel. Oh, you poor baby.
Jesus, you have no idea. Alright, let's take it to the room. She did time to get it for her first baby.
Not bad at all. Not bad at all. And I'm still eating the towel. You're still hungry.
Daddy needs another picture.
That's all I can think of.